Today I will be showing you how to make this adorable owl. This is me showing you what will be in the package of the owl. Then I will be taking everything out so you can see everything that's inside of the packaging. You will get this cute owl page showing you how to stitch and everything else, and then you get the cute little wooden owl. Now I'll be showing you different fabrics that I choose with tacky glue, scissors, and then felt for the backing. And then showing you how you can choose from your fabric of, if there's something cute, like how I see a little cute crazy eye to me perfectly for him. Then see how it makes the perfect little crazy eye for him. Then you will be needing to cut each of your parts that you want for your crazy eyes on the fabric. Then you will need to get your tacky glue and put some of the glue onto there. And then you will need to push down the fabric so it will stay in its area. You will do the same exact thing on the next eye. Then you will need to do the exact same thing with the yellow tummy of that. You need to cut the fabric, then put it into the owl, then cut the backing, and then glue. Now this is where you get the felt and cut little parts of it, and then you will need to try to make as perfect of a circle as you can. And if it ends up too big, you just cut it a little bit more. And then once you think you have about the best circle you can to cover everything, but not like overly cover everything, then you will use the tacky glue, put the glue right on top of the eyes and tummy, and then put the felt on, push down firmly, and then just let it dry. And there you have it. You have learned the owl.